so here's a little introduction to what's going on. We're at the zoo. We're going to Water's Edge in the insectarium. So if anybody out there is squeamish of insects, you probably want to turn this off right now because you may not like some of the things you see. Quick trip through the zoo. It's wintertime. Most of the animals are not there. Peace out. Talk to you later. Ciao. We are now on our way to the zoo. We're going to walk on over there. This is part of Forest Park here. I think this went up in 1904. Blue Zoo.
Remember that when they used to have like the neat like little bug houses like right there?
Yeah, when before they changed it all in. It's the living world, St. Louis Zoo. Here we go. Ride on the llama.
Actually, if they had a camel, that'd be even better.
Ride the camel again.
Yeah, I love camels. I'd probably just take them for a walk. Yeah, they're like $28 at fucking Petco. I was thinking about buying one.
Hercules beetle.
Maybe turn your flashback on, right?
Oh, I'm not taking pictures. I'm still just filming. Look at that guy. Walking sticks. Pretty damn cool. Look at the big green one right there. Yeah. Look at these two here. Pretty steamy in here. We are in the butterfly house. Obviously, the butterfly house. Nice. Oh shit, that's a big bug. I'm not seeing these guys. Remember when this was all frozen?
Yeah, I was actually thinking about that.
Inside that cave with some bears, sleeping that ass away. And why are we watching bears in the... Hey! Look over there. Capybara, Mia.
I know, it looks like soft.
Yeah. Oh.
It's just a swamp. Look at its
Yeah.
tail.
Poor thing. Capybara. To the deepest heart of Africa in St. Louis. Well, actually, yeah, take that any way you want. Oh, my brothers. Yes. Oh. Come on over here. Come on over here. Wow. Beautiful animal. There's one way over there. But, Oh, look at those big ones over there. That's the Red River hogs. And then you got these poor scared little dogs down here. Yeah. I don't know. Probably so. They were all over there. I'm not going to mob into those people just to see the hippo. Yeah, we're here in the middle of the day, so most of these animals are going to be asleep. Yeah. Their nature. In their den. I see their poop over there. Notice the humans, the Homo sapien.
The worst animal of all.
Minus that annoying ass fucking beep. Beautiful out here.